Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Apple Watch Hermès watch band. Let's go. So I'm gonna pull off the plastic first so you guys can see the box more clearly. Here we go. Really nice, bright, vibrant orange box. Beautiful. That's what the back looks like. And as you can see here, once it focuses, this is the Apple Watch Hermès 45mm band. And it is the, I'm not going to even attempt to pronounce that, which model it is. Cool. All right. Let's get to it. Very nice. Very nice packaging. Very nice watch band holder. It's just some paperwork up here. And here is the band. Here, I'll bring it up close to the camera. Then I'll flip it around. Very sleek, stylish, really high quality leather from Hermès. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Follow along for more of these random unboxing videos. All right, everyone, take care. Later.